I should go make a beat. Yeah. Did I leave the light on? That's a little weird. Meh. All right, let's do this. Oh, it's Cubase. You scared me. What is this, like an update? What a weird night. Okay, where's my charger? Oh. Because it's scary season, I'm gonna be making one of those menacing, hard trap beats. Not my usual style, but I'm feeling aggressive. No, I'm not. Let's set the BPM to the highest of heights, 160. And I'm gonna start with a very synthy synth. When I see people making this kind of beat, they always just layer a whole bunch of sounds until they create a wall of noise, and then you just gotta trust the mixing and arrangement process, and then you get a beat. I might be wrong. Oh, right. Maybe I should turn on my metronome. Recognize it? Anyway, I thought I'd stay in the theme. By the way, if you want to learn how to make your own customized metronome, check out my latest video. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Then I'm going to take these down an octave. Maybe without the metronome. Fired. Oops. Oh. Is that 8 notes? Oh, my keyboard's on. Yup. Clean that up. And then it needs to go down. The metronome. The metronome is kind of confusing. So now I have this. Feel like we're on the right way. Now I'm just gonna duplicate this one and find another synth. Spooky! Layering, I think, is the key to a hard trap beat. A go-to VST if you're looking for some noise, massive. Like, we're gonna make really annoying melodies. I'm afraid I'm gonna need my metronome for this. Hold on tight. Yeah. Go lower. Ooh. Ah, it's over. Wow. Noise was made. Beautiful. A little accent. Pull those down a little. Now they have a lovely gray color. This red interface is driving me crazy. It's a little too much. Scary bass. a nice bell. This Halion piano is perfect for this. Let's get some drums. I feel like the drums need a little variation in the second part. I need them to go like so all of this is probably gonna be the hook. So in the verses, I'm gonna dim it down a little and maybe add one extra melody. I love this violin. That's a nice touch. This could come at the start of every hook. To come in like, woo! This one is not snapping to the beat though, so let's cut it somewhere here. Time stretch. Make sure that should be it. Some more spooky elements. That'll do. I'm gonna move the snap point to around here, and then around here. It's out of tune, so perfect. And then maybe one higher. Now let's arrange this lovely noise. Okay, this is it. Very gray, except for this one. This white one is the muted MIDI from the violin. I rendered that to audio, this one here, because that VST is pretty heavy. I also added an intro with some more scary sounds. I'll play it back and then I'll show you. There's also some more here on top. So that first synth, this one. I reversed that for the intro and then added a frequency sweep. And on the bottom, there's the piano that we already had, the deep Halion 1 piano. Then I added some more bells. I thought this one was very fitting to the project. Bell Haunt sounds like this. Then some more sound effects that I got off of Splice. Just a little panning over here. And then the hook starts. A texture to glue it all together. And then that kind of abruptly stops. And a rhythm loop. This one's cut up to make it fit. And then I took a little part of that rhythm loop to create a little reverse effect. Like this, and that goes all the way through the beat. So let's have a listen. Actually, let me make it a little bigger. And then go like this. Make it a lot bigger. Here we go.
Hey Alice, what the fuck?
I have to admit that I really enjoyed making this beat. So I hope you liked it too. Thanks for watching, and I hope